I want to talk about how important it is not trying to fix people. I hear it a lot that people think, oh, I just mean it well. I just want to do something good for you. And don't really notice that it can be derogatory, that's a hard word, to just mean it well and try to fix people. Because there's always a judgment underneath, and just because we explain then why we have good reasons to fix and to improve somebody else, that doesn't mean that this explanation is really a justification for our behavior or makes it right. Actually, it can be even another slap in the face, because the other person that is the one who is fixed has to somehow understand and also accept the person who thinks they should fix somebody else, and their mind, has to understand their mind, their reasons, or maybe even approve of their actions, even though they have been hurt deeply by being exposed to that they have to be fixed. This is really important because it happens all the time that we think we have to prevent somebody from being themselves, or dragging them out of their stories, rather than providing a support or an understanding or just an ear for them, that they can share how they feel about their life, about themselves, without having to follow instructions. Of course, there are always people also that maybe are just moaners, and you feel like, oh, they're wasting your time because they're just moaning. I'm not talking about them so much. I talk about what I think we all have every now and then, that we will feel frustrated or hurt or maybe overwhelmed, and we just need to get rid of this and purge it, and then we feel so much better. And usually when there is no interruption in the cleansing and in the purging, we reach that point where we have like, the release, and then things are like, it's like clearing the fog. Things are all of a sudden way better. So this is what I'm talking about. Let me know what your experience is with that and how this helps you. Thanks for listening.